Continuing on with the toolbar over here, if you click on labels, this gives you the opportunity to make notes on the console. If there's anything special or anything different, for example, if you click on the work surface here, it brings up the little box. You can move it all over the place. And then if you double click on the little toolbox, it will bring up this box here. And you can write in some notes. For example, you could write this, and then you hit exit. And then you can click on the other option. It disappears, but it's always there to pull up. This is a good option if you're sending the Wels file itself. You can add all of these notes that will be seen by whoever opens the Wels file. Next is measure. So we do often have people questioning certain distances from one place to the other on the consoles. This is an easy way to kind of figure that out. For example, hit measure, then start from one side of the console and drag it over to the other corner like this. And then down here, it's going to give you the dimensions of that line. Go back to design and it goes away. And then typically, this down here shows the dimensions of the red square around the console. So from here to here shows you the depth is, and then from here to here shows you the width. It shows you a general idea of what the size of the console is. Another thing I want to go over in the move option, you can actually open and close all the doors front and back. This gives you the option to show if you have any shelving or rack rails or anything on the inside. You also have the option for doors if you're in the design mode. Again, right click, deletes if you delete the doors. Got two parts categories into the doors. We have one with file folder bins, one for CPU. You can switch to true form instead of the steel. And then you can go into the move and show them that as well, just so that they can see what's in there if you need to show them. A few other option accessories that we could have would be the rack rails, as I mentioned, which go into the base if you were to delete the doors. There's also your rack cabinet that we can attach in there as well for some extra depth. Some people have to mount things that won't fit into the Insight. You can right click, click, we'll delete the doors back. What we do have is electrical options. You can also add outlets or electrical mounting brackets as well.